Hello friends, welcome back, and for anyone who is new, welcome. My name is Shayna Farmer, and together with my family, we are here capturing light through all of our human experiences. This week we found ourselves with all of this energy to move forward, and yet our friend, our home, was telling us to slow down. We had plans right after the eclipse to start moving forward. The only thing that was holding us up was there were a few parts we had on order. And with Mercury retrograde or timing or whatever reasoning that can be placed on it, we have been delayed in leaving. And so when these things in life happen, there's a desire sometimes to control everything, and then when we seemingly don't have control, like packages are delayed, you pay for 2-day shipping and it comes 5 days later, these things that can sometimes pile up and feel overwhelming. In these moments in life, it's a beautiful example and a beautiful opportunity to slow down, ground, and really see why these delays are happening. Because my brain does this thing I like to call the logic ladder, in that when my emotions start becoming erratic, my brain will then take over and start saying, okay, well, what's the worst thing that could happen? And we move up and down this ladder of best thing that could happen, worst thing that could happen, because for some reason this tends to settle my mind, because like most of the time that the two are so extreme that the thing that I'm focusing on now becomes so silly, because in the grand scheme of 365 days we have this year, what's 7 days? What's 14 days? Or whatever it ends up being. And so I come to a place where I accept what's happening around me without the stress, but then I also want to be able to embrace the opportunity that's been presented. And this week it's been so beautiful, like mid 80s, but yet nights are still getting into the 60s. So the windows are open, the birds are up at 6 a.m. The nights are staying light out until 7:30, 8 o'clock. And it's just been a beautiful reminder of life rebirthing all around us. And so this week, what we've decided to do is just really focus on getting into nature. We're here in Arkansas, and we're right on the Missouri line, and there's so many beautiful places. Yesterday, me and the kids went over to Grand Gulf State Park, and we explored. And today, I'm out. I don't even know where I am. I'm somewhere in the backwoods of Missouri with no cell service. But it's a conservation area, and I'm going to do some walking around and exploring myself. I hope this video inspires you to embrace what life is throwing at you, take deep breaths in moments of uncomfortability, and then to also use these moments as opportunities to do what you in your soul are being called to do. For me, that's get into nature. For you, it may be something different. But I hope this inspires you to do so, and I hope you enjoy this time in nature that I got to spend, and then also I got to spend with the kids. I love you. I will see you next time. We'll see where the road leads and where inspiration leads me. But I hope wherever this is finding you in the world, you are having a beautiful day, and that you know that you are loved unconditionally by me and by so many others. blessed to be living this human experience and to have all of this beauty all around us, communicating with us at all times. It's only our ability to listen that creates the magic. When I get into the woods, it tends to be much more silent and a lot of just me sitting and exploring. But when I go with Ellie and Robbie, it's a lot different. It's a lot more walking, a lot more laughing, and it's just a different type of experience. So I will include some of the footage in here now of us yesterday exploring.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna
So,
Two roads diverged in a wood.
of my life. Which one shall I choose? Left or right?
It's a loop.
Right, it's right. It's a loop.
Probably it's literally.
It looks like up or down.
Yeah. Do you want to go uphill or do you want to walk downhill?
Right's always right.
Yeah, I know.
You're doing good.
for lunch. We have some homemade cookies that Ellie made last night. Some homemade bread with some tuna sandwiches. And this is leftover rice and lentils with sprouts and lettuce and avocado. Leftover sushi is what I call it. Anything with rice can be wrapped in sushi.
Okay.
Alright, we can eat now.
My turn, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Nice. I do a 7. No. Yes.